Welcome to our Python tutorial videos. Today, we'll explore on here's the content for your Python modules, importing and using libraries. Here's the content for your Python modules, importing and using libraries. Modules in Python are files that contain Python code, including functions, classes, and variables. They help organize your code into manageable sections, making it easier to maintain and reuse. Modules can come from Python's standard library or be user-defined. To use a module in your script, you need to import it using the import statement. For example, importing the math module allows you to use its functions, like math.sqrt, to calculate the square root of a number. You can import specific functions or variables from a module using the from keyword. This approach can make your code cleaner by avoiding the need to reference the module name each time you use the function. For example, from math import sqrt lets you use sqrt directly. For convenience, you can assign an alias to a module using the as keyword. This is especially useful for modules with long names. For instance, import numpy as np allows you to use np as a shorthand for numpy. Python's standard library includes a wide range of useful modules. Some examples include math for mathematical functions, datetime for date and time manipulation, and OS for interacting with the operating system. These modules provide ready-to-use functionality to help you perform common tasks. To extend Python's capabilities, you can install third-party libraries using pip, Python's package installer. For example, to install the requests library for handling HTTP requests, you would run pip install requests in your command line. Once installed, you can import and use external libraries just like standard modules. For example, after installing the requests library, you can use it to make HTTP requests and handle responses efficiently. You can create your own module by writing functions or variables in a.py file and importing it in another script. For instance, if you have a file mymodule.py with a greet function, you can import mymodule in main.py and call the function. When working with modules, use meaningful names to make it clear what the module does. Group related functions and classes together to keep your code organized. Additionally, document your modules with comments and docstrings to explain their functionality. In conclusion, modules are essential for organizing and reusing code in Python. You can import standard and external libraries to extend your program's functionality, and create your own modules to better structure your code.
For more videos, please visit the channel and go to respective playlist. And please subscribe the channel for more content, and to encourage us, please like the video.